Welcome back to Beautyistic, the channel where we explore the best in beauty products to help you make informed choices for your self-care routine. Today, we're diving into a product that's been making waves in the nail care community, the C-Care Sweet Almond Cuticle Oil for Nails. This cuticle oil promises to repair and strengthen your nails overnight, leaving you with moisturized, healthy cuticles and nails that are ready to shine. Let's start with an overview. The C-Care Sweet Almond Cuticle Oil is a 2.5 ounces bottle packed with a nourishing blend of natural oils. The formula is specifically designed to deliver intensive hydration without leaving behind any greasy residue, which is a common complaint with many cuticle oils. Infused with sweet almond oil, a powerhouse ingredient rich in vitamin E, vitamin A, omega-3 fatty acids, and proteins, this product is all about restoring moisture and strength to dry, brittle nails and cuticles. It's also paraben-free and cruelty-free, meaning you're treating your nails to a natural and ethical product. Using this oil is a breeze thanks to the dropper and brush included with the bottle. The dropper allows for precise application, and the brush makes it easy to massage the oil into your nails and cuticles. From my personal experience, the oil absorbs quickly, leaving my nails feeling nourished without any sticky or oily residue. A huge plus for anyone who uses their hands frequently throughout the day. Performance-wise, the C-Care Sweet Almond Cuticle Oil does exactly what it claims. After using it overnight for just a few days, I noticed my cuticles were softer and less prone to cracking, and my nails felt stronger and more resilient. The sweet almond scent is light yet pleasant, adding a touch of luxury to each application. Now let's talk pros and cons. The biggest strength of this cuticle oil is its deep moisturizing ability without the heaviness that some oils can leave behind. It's perfect for those with sensitive skin or anyone who wants to avoid synthetic chemicals. However, if you have an allergy to almonds, this might not be the best option for you due to the almond oil content. In terms of comparisons, the C-Care Sweet Almond Cuticle Oil holds its own against more expensive brands like L'Occitane Shea Nail and Cuticle Oil, which is also rich in almond oil but comes with a heftier price tag. On the budget-friendly side, Sally Hansen's Vitamin E Nail and Cuticle Oil is a great alternative, offering similar benefits at a lower price point, though it might not be as lightweight as the C-Care option. When considering value for money, this product is a clear winner. You're getting a salon-quality formula at an affordable price. And with the 2.5 ounces bottle, it will last you quite a while, even with daily use. If you're enjoying this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on all our latest beauty insights. Your support helps us bring more great content and reach others who are looking for honest reviews. In conclusion, the C-Care Sweet Almond Cuticle Oil is a standout product for anyone looking to enhance their nail care routine. It's ideal for those who want to maintain healthy, strong nails without the hassle of heavy or greasy products. Whether you're a nail care newbie or a seasoned pro, this cuticle oil deserves a spot in your beauty arsenal. Thanks for watching. You can find the link to purchase this product in the description below. And if you have any questions or thoughts, drop them in the comments. I'd love to hear your experiences with this product too. Until next time, take care and keep those nails looking fabulous.